Smiling through storm, standing tall amidst relentless jeers. That's how Hardik Pandya's first season as Mumbai Indians captain unfolded. Booed in every stadium, trolled across social media, but did he break? No, he stood firm. A season to forget for Mumbai Indians, rock bottom in the points table, first to be knocked out, but while the world pointed fingers, Hardik Pandya stayed quiet. He absorbed the criticism, channeled the pain, and emerged stronger. In the next 10 months, he scripted history. Not once, but twice. From being booed in Mumbai to bringing laurels to India, Hardik Pandya's journey has been nothing short of a redemption arc. And after winning 2 ICC trophies for Team India, MI skipper Pandya is set to embark on a new season. The IPL 2025 begins this weekend, where Mumbai Indians will kick off their campaign against Chennai Super Kings on Sunday at Chepauk. Ahead of the season, Hardik addressed the media and said he is coming into the tournament with a lot of joy and ready for every challenge thrown at him.
Playing for India has been always prideful. It has always been the number one priority, and I think winning 2 ICC trophies for India is something which is very close to all of our heart, and there is a lot of joy. So I think that joy will carry forward into IPL as well, and we'll look forward to take up this challenge as well, where Emma has not got 4 years. Last 4 years has been dry. So the challenge and the excitement part is that we can go for it with all joyness and at the same point of time all togetherness. That's what exactly we are communicated, and at the same point of time all are in the same line.
While he was getting constantly booed by the MI fans last season, he was also battling huge problems in personal life as well. Pandya reflected that all those ups and downs taught him valuable life lessons, motivating him to face every challenge up front.
My life has been quite up and down, but I think that has been the learning which I really enjoyed. It has just not taught me about the sport, it has taught me about life as well, that how life would be over the years. This year it's a fresh year, 366 days. As he mentioned, a lot of things have changed, a lot of love and joy, and a lot of things are added. So 3.0 would be, every year I think it has become a 0.0 added, but this year it will be same. There will be always passion, there will be always grit, there will be always challenges which I love, and I think for me the crucial part would be to make sure that the challenges are not the way how they've been thrown at me, but to my boys, if the challenges are thrown, how I can help them and fight their way out. So for me, this year the challenges and the excitement part is that how can I add more value to all the players who are there, and my journey will keep continue. I'm here.
Hardik feels that to be playing alongside the likes of Surya Kumar Yadav, Rohit Sharma and Jasprit Bumrah makes his job easier because he is surrounded by 3 different minds who have led Team India. Whenever help needed, there is no dearth of that.
Sir, the captaincy part is that I'm lucky that I have 3 captains who are playing with me. It adds more and more experience for me that if I required help, I know that there are 3 different minds who have led India for different formats, and with so many years of experience can be always there and they can put the arm around my shoulder and always be there for help. So I look at it that way.
A lot has happened in Pandya's life in the past 12 months, but currently he is in a good zone, in a happy zone where he finds himself confident, aiming to win a 6th title for the team.
No, I'm very confident. I was confident back then. I was confident when I was playing Champions Trophy. I'm confident now. So if you ask me about my confidence, it's always going to be high. That's it. That's the answer, I guess.
After the horrors of last season, Hardik said that the side is aiming to do their things right in every aspect this time around.
Just play good cricket, have a lots of smile around. How do we turn around? I think the answer is by playing good cricket, being with each other at the same point of time, doing our processes right, having those plans which coaches and all the support staff which creates. Go and execute that at your best ability, and at the same point of time just enjoy. I think with this group, the kind of talent and the kind of ability is there. I think it's important that we enjoy and look forward for all the games which are coming forward. So I don't think there is a rocket science to turn around things, but definitely there will be some there will be some basic things which if we can tick box, I think this team will look very, very good.
The stage is set, the past is behind him, and redemption awaits. Will Hardik Pandya silence the critics? Will MI reclaim their lost glory? Stay with us for all the action, drama, and behind the scenes stories from IPL 2025. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe Cricket Next.